The growth is attributed to the increase in manufactured goods exported in the region through World Food Programme to South Sudan, Kenya, and Uganda. Traditional export products such as minerals, coffee, and tea registered a 39.4% growth, while non-traditional exports increased by 25.2% and re-exports by 40.7%. The Democratic Republic of Congo remained the largest destination of Rwanda's exports on the continent. On the other hand, the imports into the country also grew 22.5% to $1.82 billion, linked to domestic recovery of the economy. Imports of intermediate goods, including industrial products, construction materials, and fertilizers, increased 28.9% to $510 million during the first 6 months of 2022. Meanwhile, South Africa has signed the first 3 agreements to increase its renewable energy supplies and reduce reliance on coal-fired power stations. The country is enduring acute energy shortages, with its state energy provider Eskom suffering from a lack of investment amid allegations of corruption. Coal is used to generate 80% of South African electricity, but under the deal, energy output will increase by 10% through private investment in wind and solar projects. Official figures confirmed that South Africa's GDP shrank partly because of outages affecting both homes and industry. Finally, Tanzania's avocado fetch premium price in Europe, with one fruit selling for more than 500 shillings in Belgian markets. Tanzania's ambassador to Belgium, Justus Nyamanga, is encouraging local farmers to sell their avocados to European markets due to their lucrative prices that they fetch. Tanzania's avocado export reached 11,237 tons, worth $33 million in 2021. According to the Tanzania Private Sector Foundation, in 2018, Tanzania exported 7,551 tons with a total of $8.5 million to Europe, Africa, and Asia. Tanzania projects to export 15,000 tons of avocado next year, thus generating $45 million in foreign currency. Reporting for Lunchtime News, I'm Terry Njenga.